Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the issue where Instagram message says your message couldn't be delivered. Let's get started. First, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes a poor connection can stop your messages from being delivered. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. Just like this. You can use either Wi-Fi or your mobile data, depending on which one is more stable and faster. If this didn't help, try turning airplane mode on and off again to reset the internet connection. Second thing is make sure your Instagram is up to date. Open the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And if an update is available, tap update. Just go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and here you'll see the option to update it. Make sure to hit this button. Click on update. Another reason your message couldn't be delivered could be because the person you're messaging has blocked you. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't notify you when you're blocked, but if you can't find their profile, this might be the issue. The fourth step is clearing the Instagram's app cache. Clearing the Instagram's app cache can also resolve the problem. To do this, go to Settings and then search for Apps. This takes a little while because I have so much applications and my phone is a bit slow. I'll type in Instagram here and click. Here we go. Okay. Now go to Storage and in the bottom right you'll see Clear Cache. Click on it. Now you cleared your Instagram cache. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. Sometimes this can fix underlying issues. And that's it. Now your messages should be delivered without a problem. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.